Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use standard deviation in TradingView. Chart standard deviation is a simple, powerful way to measure volatility, how much price tends to vary from its average. Traders use it to quickly see when a market is calm or when it's heating up, which can help with timing entries, exits, and risk management. By understanding how the market moves relative to its average price, you can make more informed decisions and avoid being caught off guard by sudden price swings. Start on your TradingView chart and look to the top left of the screen. Click the Indicators button, the one typically marked with the AFX icon. This opens the Indicators panel, where you can find every built-in tool and a large library of community scripts. It's the quickest path to bring analytical tools onto your chart without digging through menus. This is also where you can explore a variety of tools that can complement your analysis and help you understand the market from different angles. In the search bar that appears, type Standard Deviation. You'll see Standard Deviation under the built-ins, along with community versions. Select the one you want, and TradingView will immediately add it to your chart. Choosing the built-in is a great place to start if you just want the classic calculation. The built-in version will give you a clean, straightforward view of volatility based on historical data. Once selected, the indicator will appear on your graph. Most often, you'll see it as a separate panel beneath your price chart, showing a single line that rises and falls as volatility changes. When the line is elevated, it signals that price has been moving more dramatically relative to its recent average. This could be a sign of market events such as major news, earnings reports, or other significant catalysts. When the line contracts and stays low, it indicates quieter, more stable price action. A low standard deviation reading suggests less volatility, which can be a sign of consolidation or periods of low activity. You can hover over the line to see exact values at specific bars, which helps you connect spikes in the line to what you're seeing in price. This is particularly useful when identifying areas where volatility is rising or falling, helping you correlate market moves with actual price behavior. It's helpful to remember that the standard deviation indicator reflects the time frame of the chart you're viewing. If you work on a 5-minute chart, you're seeing short-term volatility, giving you insight into quick price movements. On daily or weekly charts, you're looking at broader swings, providing a more long-term perspective on volatility. As you watch the market, notice how the line tends to swell during breakouts, earnings reactions, or major news, and how it often tapers off during consolidation phases. This can be a great tool for identifying key moments in the market when volatility spikes, such as during earnings season, market reactions to global events, or breakout scenarios. This is also helpful in risk management, as you can spot when the market is getting more volatile and adjust your strategy accordingly. You don't need to do anything else to start benefiting from it. The default settings are designed to give you a clean, informative read right away. The standard deviation indicator is intuitive and easy to use, with no need for complex setup. Just apply it to your chart and let it guide your analysis. If the line looks flat or small, that's usually a sign of a quiet market rather than a problem with the tool. This can help you stay calm during low volatility periods, as you'll know that the market isn't experiencing any extreme price fluctuations. And if you ever pan around your chart and don't spot it immediately, look for the separate panel just below your candles. It's often right there, neatly tucked beneath your chart for easy access. That's all there is to it. Click Indicators, search for Standard Deviation, select it, and it appears on your chart. Keep an eye on how it ebbs and flows with price, and you'll quickly build an intuition for market volatility. With consistent use, you'll be able to spot significant changes in volatility and use that information to refine your trading strategy. Happy trading, and I hope this tool helps you make more informed decisions in your analysis.